Has quick thinking ever saved your life? I pulled into a gas station on my way home from work, but just before I got back into my car, two men came up and held me at gunpoint. They told me to get in the car and start driving, and that if I wanted to live, I was going to drive them to the other side of the country. Words can't describe how terrified I was, and for the next 12 hours, I had to ignore phone calls from my whole family while I drove these two criminals hours away from home. We eventually stopped at a motel after what felt like days. They brought me inside and made sure I didn't do anything suspicious while we talked to the staff. I tried so hard to communicate to the girl at the front that I wasn't safe, but I couldn't do anything. They brought me to the room and immediately restrained me to the bed. I was in so much fear, but knew I couldn't scream. One of them tried to unclothe me, but just before he could, an alarm went off on my phone.